Hi, and welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we will be looking at how to use the accordion component. As a prerequisite, I recommend looking through the video on how to create data sources before watching this one. The accordion can be found in the layout section of the blocks. An accordion is a group of accordion items that can be expanded and collapsed. To add more accordion items, click on one accordion item and press the plus button in the toolbar, or click on the accordion itself and there's also a plus. Accordion items can be renamed, and they can have icons applied to them. You can select from a library. There are many icons in here. Or you can select from a URL, or you can upload an icon. You can also disable specific accordion items. On the accordion itself, you can get there by clicking on an accordion item and then pressing the up arrow in the toolbar, or by going into the page layers and selecting the accordion. In its properties, we have a tooltip, visibility, which is self-explanatory, and then we have allow expanding multiple, which, if unchecked, allows you to only expand one accordion item, and if checked, it allows you to expand multiple items. Collapsible, which allows you to collapse all the accordion items if checked, and then disabled for the entire accordion. Selected index is the index of the accordion item to be selected by default. So 0 would be the first accordion item, 1 would be the second accordion item, and so on. And you can add any other component inside the accordion items. So for instance, I can add a field set to the first accordion item. I can add a circular gauge to the second accordion item, and a color selector to the third accordion item. And then if we save this and launch it, by default we have the second accordion item selected with the circular gauge inside of it. And because the accordion has collapsible checked, we can collapse all the items. And we can also open more than one. So this is the field set that we've added to the first one. And the third one has a different name and an icon. So if I add another accordion to the page, and then select the accordion itself. So I clicked an accordion item and pressed the up arrow to select the accordion, and then go into block properties and data source. And I've created a data source previously for this. So we select the data source, and then if I click on the accordion item and go into appearance, I can make the title the name of the person for each row. And then if I want, I can add a field inside the accordion item or something like that. And then I can change this to dynamic value and select the ID. Note that if you do this, you can't add any more accordion items in here, and any accordion items that you have had in there will be made invisible, and you won't be able to access them until you turn the data source off again. So what this is going to do is it's going to create accordion items per data item. So we've got Bob, Rachel, etc. And then each of these is going to have the ID put in the field, the label of the field set. And this is how you attach a data source to an accordion. This has been how to use the accordion component.